Set up a manufacturing business of silica from rice husk ash. Setting up a manufacturing business of silica from rice husk ash, RHA is a viable business opportunity because of the rise in the markets for silica in a variety of industries and the ever-increasing availability of rice husks as a waste product from milling value rice. This video will help guide you through the setup of a manufacturing business of silica from RHA. It will discuss the machinery needed, market demand, and opportunities for startups. Silica from rice husk ash. Rice husk ash is of considerable value as a waste product of milling rice consists of 85 to 95% amorphous silica. It is this high silica content that makes RHA an excellent raw material for manufacturing sodium dioxide, silica, which is extremely useful in industries such as construction, electronics, ceramics, and rubber engineering and manufacturing. Market demand and opportunities. The world rice husk silica market has shown an impressive expected rise. The market was valued at $3.4 billion or 28 billion RMB and is expected to rise to $5.28 billion or 42.1 billion RMB by 2033, with a projected CAGR of 4.5%. Demand for silica is likely to remain strongest in construction, where the silica in RHA has the potential to considerably enhance the strength and durability results of concrete and is paramount in the electronic industry. Setting up the manufacturing plant. Requirements for machinery and equipment. To create a silica manufacturing site with rice husk ash, the most common machinery and equipment required is as follows. Rice husk combustion facility. This unit will combust rice husks to generate ash. Acid leaching facility. Acid leaching removes impurities from the ash to generate a high-purity silica. Alkali extraction facility. This facility utilizes an alkali solution to extract silica from ash to transform into sodium silicate. Filtration and drying facility. This will perform the drying and filtering of the silica collected from the ash. Grinding and milling machinery. Grinding and milling will process silica to a targeted biodisc size. Considerations for plant location. Location: near rice mills to lessen transportation cost of rice husks. Infrastructure: sufficient infrastructure to handle storage, process ash and deal with waste material. Environmental considerations: environmental compliance regarding air emissions for combustion components and disposal of waste material. Manufacturing sequence. The silica extraction process from rice husk ash involves the following steps. Combustion: combust rice husk to form ash. Acid leaching: acid leach the ash to remove impurities. Alkali extraction: use an alkali solution to extract silica, produced as sodium silicate. Precipitation: precipitate the silica from solution, then dry and mill to specifications. Opportunities for new startup. Opportunities exist for new companies to fill demand for sustainable, eco-friendly silica produced from rice husk ash, a sustainable low-cost raw material. Furthermore, new companies can benefit from the environment and sustainability incentives rebates being offered by various governmental policy agencies. Silica is produced from agricultural waste, which provides opportunities for new companies to market their silica manufacturing efforts across different industries. Utilization of silica. Manufacturing from rice husk ash. Sustainability. Rice husk ash-based silica production creates a sustainable recycling method for agricultural waste products while making an impact on societal problems regarding waste. Cost effectiveness. Rice husk will make process gaps more cost-efficient as it is infamous for being a cheap raw material. Market applicability. Silica has great market applicability as an industrial material, while applications can be found in many markets. Environment. Rice husk ash-based silica, being sustainable when utilizing raw materials as well as the carbon emissions being reduced as a result of utilizing byproducts, from rice husk ash is a significantly better environmental alternative than silica-based materials. Challenges and considerations. Quality control. A consistent good quality of silica is the most effective way silica is allowed to gain entry and utility. The purity of silica can differ in all of forms of manufacturing. Technical skills. There is a lot of technical understanding in managing and maximizing silica profiles and yield and purity. Market environment. While the demand for silica is increasing, there exists competition from established silica manufacturers who may or may not be local or of foreign origin. Compliance. Numerous compliance requirements exist as well as safety and environmental regulations that must be fully contemplated before embarking on commercializing the business. Entering into a manufacturing business of silica from rice husk ash has numerous advantages, most notably sustainability and cost efficiency. However, due diligence around planning manufacturing processes, knowledge of compliance, technical products, and an understanding of market applicability will be critical. Utilizing near project consultancy services will help identify better understanding concerning business option, challenges, and issues through their comprehensive product and consultancy service. If you need assistance or clarification, do not hesitate to reach out. How we can assist you? At Near Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, we provide full service enabling the entrepreneur to commence their silica manufacturing business. Our services include market survey and feasibility report, a complete analysis of market trends, market demands, and competition. Techno-economic feasibility report, which addresses manufacturing process including flow sheet diagrams and machinery specifications. Project financials, which evaluates the viability of the project including what will be needed in terms of investment and profitability analysis. We are going to give our expertise as an industrial project consultant to provide you a detailed project report, detailed business plan tailored for your needs, and provide guideline through all the obstacles in starting a new business. Have any question or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.